guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace the handpiece on a Buddy CB046. So here we go. So the first thing you do is just pull it out of its holder like usual. Now you'll notice on here there's flats on this collar here. So if it's really tight, which it shouldn't be, what you need to do is you can put your pliers or spanner onto those flats and just wrap a rag around it in the first instance so you don't scratch the chroming. They usually should be just hand tight, like stiff hand tight, so I'll just hold it here and just give it a quick twist, and that's lefty loosey, like so, and it's just easy as that. So once you've got your new one, just inspect your O-ring, make sure that it hasn't got any issues and it's not worn or doesn't look split or anything, and then you can just wind that straight back up, which is righty-tighty, and then you'll feel the O-ring, give it a wee bit of resistance, and then hold the handpiece and obviously that collar there and just give it a bit of a tweak. It doesn't need to be tight at all because it's got the O-ring fitting in there to seal it from leaking. So just put it straight up there, and you can put the button round the back or around the front because you've got a swivel on this part here. Hope that helps. Cheers.